your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today my topic is multiplication of two or three fractions involving proper, improper and mixed numbers. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to multiply two or three fractions involving proper, improper fractions and of course mixed numbers. Example is over here. 3 by 19 multiplied by 2 whole 1 by 6. Now, this is, I can write it down. First thing is, I am going to convert the mixed number into improper fraction. So, the first fraction I am going to write as it is. That is after equality symbol. Now, multiplication symbol, and then I am going to do one thing. That is 6 2s are 12 plus 1 is, yes, that is 13. 13 by 6. So, this is 13 by 6 now. Now, what to do? I am going to tell you one thing which I have told you in my previous lectures as well, but here I am going to recall it for you guys. This is, we can cut or divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, that is upside down from left to right up, in this cross way. This way to this way, numerator of this side to this side, numerator of this one and denominator of this fraction. Do you remember that this is just like a cross? So I can cut this but with the same table. Do remember that. No need to forget that. So this one is cut 3 and write 1 because I'm going to divide it by 3 times table. So 3 1s are 3 and you know that 3 2s are 6. So I'm going to cut 6 and write the number 2 over here. So now I'm going to do one thing, that is multiply numerators together and multiply denominators together. So here the numerators are 1 multiplied by 13 divided by 19 multiplied by 2. So now you are going to do multiplication symbol. This one is now 1 multiplied by 13. You already know, very simple and easy. This is 13. So numerator is 13 now. Now 19 multiplied by 2 is denominator. So do multiply it and you are going to get the number 38. So the fraction is 13 over 38. This is my final answer because this is already in simplified form and this is a proper fraction because numerator is less than denominator. Okay, so right now I'm going to solve one more example for you guys. Now we are going to do multiplication of three fractions. So right now the fraction example is given over here. This one is the example. 4 by 3 multiplied by 2 whole 5 by 6 multiplied by 4 by 7. Now my dear student, this is very interesting thing. That is, we are going to do write the mixed number into improper fraction. So here we have the middle number, the middle fraction, which is mixed number. So right now we are going to write the first fraction as it is and the second fraction. For that sake, from after multiplication sign, I'm going to do 6 2s are 12 to multiply them plus add the number 5. 6 2s are 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 by 6 is my second fraction. My third fraction will be as it is. So 4 by 7 I'm going to write as it is. Now my dear students, as told you earlier in the earlier example that we are going to do cross multiplication. How we do this one like cross, so no need to recall it again for you guys. So basically we are going to cut numerator and denominator with the same number. So right now cut the number 4 and write the number 2 because I'm going to cut this number 4 and 6 by 2 times table. So right now we are going to write the number 2 on the top of the number 4 and cut the number 6 and write the number 3 on the top. So this one, interesting thing, now I am going to do what? I am going to multiply all the numerators together and multiply all the denominators together. So for that sake, I am just going to do the step indirectly, or you are going to do it in separate step as well. So this one is 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 4 is 136. Now 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, you know that 3 3s are 9 and 9 7s are 63. So 63 is the denominator of this fraction. Now my dear student, you know that the numerator is greater than denominator. And we can do one thing. That is, we are going to write it down into mixed number. So interesting thing. So 63 multiplied by 2, when we are going to do multiplication, you know that 63 multiplied by 2 is 126. 126 means that from this numerator 136, if I am going to subtract this one, that is 136 minus 136 is 10. So the mixed fraction is like this. So 63 will be denominator, 2 is a whole number, and 10 is a numerator of this mixed, means whole and proper fraction. So right now, I'm going to write it down like 2 whole 10 by 63. So this is my final answer. Hope the whole procedure is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Take good care of yourself and practice more. Allah Hafiz.